Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys fingerprint setting in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you delete your fingerprint lock in your Poco phone. As you want to delete guys all data, your fingerprint all data, so guys you can delete in your Poco phone. And guys now let's see how to delete. So first of all guys swipe up and guys click on guys your phone setting and guys scroll it. Guys click on guys your password and security setting, and as you can see your screen or fingerprint settings. So guys tap here, enter your guys draw your pattern, and as you can see guys this fingerprint settings. So guys tap here, and guys you can see guys this remove fingerprint mean guys you want to delete this fingerprint all data. So guys tap here to delete it. Then guys there is no any fingerprint, and guys you can see these settings. So as you can see guys this setting will not work without your fingerprint guys. And guys you want to continue this setting, so guys you will have to add guys your fingerprint. So guys draw your pattern to add, then guys you can use this setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete fingerprint in our Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.